Today's LeetCode question is max consecutive ones. Given a binary array, find the maximum number of consecutive ones in this array. So in this example, we'll have two ones. So the max consecutive ones at this point is 2. Then we'll go to a 0. So it breaks the current chain. And then we'll see 3 consecutive ones. So the answer for this example is 3. And this is a classic example of a two-pointer problem. In a two-pointer problem, what the often approach is you'll have a left pointer and a right pointer. And you'll always move the right pointer forwards, and if the right pointer follows your valid condition, in this case, if there's a 1, we're going to check to see if it's better than our current best max consecutive ones. And we'll keep doing this until right iterates through the entire length of the array. So let's see this in action. We're going to have our left pointer and our right. We'll both set that as 0, and we'll have our result, which will be 0 for now. And we'll iterate while right is less than the length. While there's still elements for the right pointer to iterate, we'll check. There's two scenarios, whether the value at the right pointer is 1 or 0. So in the case where it is 1, then we know that we can move the right pointer forward and we can check, and update and see if result is now bigger than it was before. We're comparing the current value of result with right minus left, the distance between the two pointers. And in this scenario where right is 0, we know, hey, we can't actually see and update the result value. And we know that at the right pointer, it's a 0, which is not valid. So let's just move the right pointer forward. And let's also be sure to bring our left pointer to where the new right pointer begins. In the case, where we don't want to actually include previous values and we want to now start with a new range to begin with. So if we look at example here, once we have 0 right here, we'll move the pointer right to this 1, and then we'll move the left here as well. And then we'll begin the new logic. So at the end of this while loop, we know that right has iterated through, and we've checked with our two-pointer method to update result to the longest consecutive ones. So let's just return result. Yep, in this example, we've gotten the correct answer. And in terms of time and space complexity, time complexity will be O of n because we're iterating through the array once. And in terms of space complexity, it's O of 1 because it's constant space. We're not actually allocating any space that's corresponding to the length of our input. And just to clarify, time once again is O of n, where n is the length of the array because we're iterating through the array once. All right, awesome. Subs if you liked it.